For this last part, I wanted to show you this. This is something, and I will let you know, we do have a membership-based website, ASLteachingresources.com. If you need to get a card, you can get one right here. We do give things for free as well, like you have the podcast. Anybody who's members will get everything that's printable, printable single sheets, absolutely free. I mean, whatever you need, hit the button. Your school has resources that you can fund this, or maybe your group does, or maybe a parent does. But with that is also going to be this. Everybody's going to be able to get all the videos. We are creating these now, and I can give you an example. So these are based on our 20-book series. We're going to have 26 sign clubs, so if you want a sign club in your school, you can. And with this, everybody gets this free, whether you're a member or not. We want to make sure schools that don't have fundings can do this. So you have, this is the teacher's handout. And on here are going to be links that you click to. And with those links, that's not the teacher handout. That is the teacher handout. And with the links, it's going to take you straight to the videos to show you how to do it. So anybody who doesn't even know sign language will be successful, because we show you what to do. And then for the songs, we have, we started adding them where I actually sing and sign it, so you can just hit play if you don't know the, if you really feel uncomfortable in your group. So, and in here, the handouts we have for the lesson, we do have the flashcards that you would download. We have wall charts that are part of it. I don't know if you can see this. Let's see, can y'all see this? That you can put in the room. We have games that we create for each thing to play with it.